Alright, so this is the Brookside Railroad Crossing in Olmsted Falls, Ohio. I'm going to get a tour of this crossing. Here's the northern signal. It has a Safetran base, a Safetran gate mechanism right there. The emergency information is 423-8370W. Ambulance right there, hold on. I'll read that emergency information again. It's 53837W. I read that wrong, I think. And right up there we got the ambulance. 1.5 pairs of Safetran 12 by 20 inch lights, and then right there we got the Safetran 12 by 24 inch light. Drop that real quick. And up there we got, I believe, RECO incandescent gate lights and a general signals type 3 electronic bell. I'm sorry, there was a lot of noise happening and a lot of random crap I can't explain. Let's hop over to the southern signal. Here's an overview of the southern signal. By the way, this track is on the end of the Chicago line. And I'm hearing chatter on the scanner. We just changed to green on track 2, I think we may have. Safetran base. A Safetran gate mechanism. 2 pairs of very old Safetran 12 by 20 inch lights up there. Yeah, we're green on track 2. We got an eastbound coming. And NEG gate lights up there. Well, this way is looking west towards Cleveland. Yeah, now you can't really see the green signal. My phone doesn't zoom in that well. I wish it zoomed in better. Okay. And then this way is looking west towards, I say east or west over there. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm too busy listening to the railroad radio. This way is looking west towards Elyria, Toledo, Chicago, all of it. The relay case is on the north, on the southwest quadrant of the crossing. We have green on track 1 too, I think. Can't really see it, but next crossing down there, next crossing east is Columbia Road. Next crossing west is Maple Way Drive. So yeah, this is the Brookside Railroad Crossing in Olmsted Falls, Ohio. Out.